Hi beauties, welcome back. The Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Rich Repair Cream with 6 Butter Lipid Complex is truly a game changer for anyone with chronically dry skin, a compromised skin barrier, or mature skin in need of extra hydration. As someone with combination to dry and aging skin, I've struggled to find a moisturizer that provides long-lasting hydration, especially during the harsh winter months. However, since incorporating this cream into my skincare routine, I've noticed a significant improvement in the overall hydration and texture of my skin. One of the standout features of this cream is its 6 Butter Lipid Complex, which not only soothes the skin, but also supports the natural production of ceramides and hyaluronic acid. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy skin barrier, which can often become compromised due to factors like overuse of actives, sun damage, or simply aging. By restoring and supporting the skin barrier, this cream helps to lock in moisture and prevent transepidermal water loss, keeping my skin hydrated throughout the day. Additionally, the inclusion of zinc and copper gluconates provides powerful antioxidant properties and helps to reduce visible redness, which is particularly beneficial for those with sensitive or reactive skin. I've noticed that my skin looks calmer and more even-toned since using this cream, which is a huge plus for someone like me who struggles with occasional redness and irritation. Another key ingredient, alpha-glucan, derived from rice, adds to the soothing and hydration-boosting benefits of this cream. It helps to replenish moisture levels and leaves my skin feeling soft, smooth, and supple. In terms of texture and application, I love how rich and luxurious the cream feels, yet it's surprisingly lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It doesn't leave any greasy or sticky residue behind, making it perfect for both daytime and nighttime use. The packaging is also convenient and hygienic, dispensing the perfect amount of product each time. Overall, I can't recommend the Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Rich Repair Cream enough for anyone struggling with dry, dehydrated, or aging skin. It's become a staple in my skincare routine, providing the intense hydration and nourishment my skin needs to stay healthy and radiant year-round.